welcome to our wonders. My name is Mokshita and today I'm going to show you an experiment based on air. For this experiment, we need an empty bottle, a balloon, a glass bowl and hot water. Friends, I have fixed the balloon on the mouth of the empty bottle and now I am pouring some hot water in the glass bowl. Do not pour it till the brim, pour it only half. So I have poured half water. And now I am keeping this plastic bottle in this water. And wow, this is floating. This is getting expanded. This is a magic. How does it happen? No, friends. It is a science. Do you know the science behind it? When I kept this bottle in the hot water, as you all know that air is present all around us, the air was also present in the water, and the air was also present in the bottle. So the air became warm when I kept it in the warm water, and when the air particles started pushing each other. That is why the air is expanding. Air needs more space to expand when it is warm. So the balloon is giving it more space to expand, and that is why the balloon is also expanding. With this experiment, we came to know that air expands when it is heated. If you like my experiment, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, Our Wonders.